Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'll talk about an update in the Message Center in the Microsoft Message Center. So actually, the change is a new column which is called Status of Your Organization. What it does, it gives you some indication or status of three statuses actually, if something, when has the feature been launched, if it's rolled out, or if it's scheduled. If we look at the message actually that explains what each one of those is, so scheduled is actually something planned and released. Rolled out is actually the feature is beginning to be rolled out, but not totally completed rolled out. And launched means that everything has been launched for all of the organization and tenant. So actually, let's look at it. So this is a message center, and I will remove all of the filters. And actually here, if we scroll down, we'll see that we have several which are scheduled. And if we want to filter it, we can actually look for rolled out. Actually, only new things will be listed, old things will not. And scheduled, that's launched. Let's see if something is launched. So you can mark either 1 or 2. So all of these have been launched. So we can look at them. And actually, if we go into one of the messages, we can see here an area status of your organization. So we see here actually the status, and we also see here the roadmap ID is here instead of seeing it over here. So if we click on it, we can click on this and it will bring us to the roadmap. So this is actually a new feature. It will help lots of people to know the difference actually between the message center and the roadmap. Sometimes it's not clear. So if you don't see, by the way, this column, you can scroll to the right and click on choose columns, and you can add or remove those. For instance, if this was not marked, you could check it and then you would see it. So this is actually the filters, and the meaning is once it's planned, second one is rolling out, and the last one is launched. So thank you very much, and hope this helped you. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.